Hi, welcome back. And this is a visualization part. So once everything is ready, I'll show you how to visualize. So you can, I just made an total sales measure. I click on that and just click on the number here, the card. It will show the total sales. You can keep it here like this. And also you can calculate many things such as order date versus sales. Let us see. So this is not what I want. So I'll just change it to line chart. This is okay, but this is okay. So I'll just make it like this, and then I'll create one more thing as from the location. I'll just country versus orders. Let's see how many orders does this country have. Let's go with the quantity. Just like arrange it as you want, like this. And you can add one more visual here. So I'm going with the order priority, or else like ship mode will be better. Go to the ship mode, click on ship mode, and then go to the quantity, and I'll make it as a pie chart or a donut chart, which looks better. Or else let us check for the sales. Okay, now like this, once I created the visual, you can change the themes. Go to view themes, and you can change it to anything you want. I'll change it like this. See, so it's not looking so nice, so I'm gonna change it to this one maybe. Yeah, it looks okay. So when you select anything, like if I select this, it says Nigeria. If I click on Nigeria, then it will show the total sales is 54, and the profit is, you can see the profit by clicking here, and then you can see the sum of sales as we go along the date. In this way you need to create all the dashboards. Thank you.